So you're wearing it now.
Yep.
So you can't even see.
You can't see it.
So you can wear it
right
under
there. You
your
see the hint of it right there. See, there it is.
and you can wear that under your suit.
I have a long history of problems with my right knee. And I hurt my left knee as well, but my left knee is better than my right knee. My right knee I hurt in 1979. Okay? Were you two born in 1979?
Not yet, but didn't you play soccer at a pretty serious level?
I did. I played, even after that injury, I was able to get back and play soccer. They did this thing called an ACL reconstruction, which they were just starting at that time. And luckily, they knew how to do it correctly, and it worked. And I was able to return to play. Other braces typically would use a pressure phenomenon, as you alluded to, where you put pressure on the side with the damage, on the opposite side of the damage, trying to wedge the leg open. And those would tend to cause pain when you ignore them. So I didn't use those regularly. I did use another company's brace where there was a hinge in the back, but the construct was too weak to actually unload someone as big as me. It would work for smaller people, but it wouldn't work well for someone my size or bigger because it didn't have enough strength to it to actually open that joint up like the Adonis does. But the Adonis, you actually feel that distraction when you extend that leg fully. You know it's actually opening that compartment. You can feel it opening that compartment. Those other braces wasn't quite feeling that. It helped a little bit, but it was on a much smaller scale. And I don't think I would have this meniscus root repair still surviving if I had one of those braces on there. So the Adonis is for any high-level athlete, active person who wants to unload that compartment with a low-profile brace that's light, wears appropriately for any type of weather conditions, and really for any high-impact type load to that joint. And I'm not so sure it would be good for a person who were worried about a ligaments issue on a football field, but I'd be interested to see if we can get away with it in some of those players. But certainly anybody with higher impact type loads, running, jumping, soccer, golf, anything where you're actually loading that joint on a regular basis in a high impact type fashion, the Adonis could be a good brace for them.
And you wear the brace?
I wear the brace all the time. I use it. I'm an orthopedic surgeon, and we stand on our legs, as you suspect, for hours at a time. And there's plenty of times when I have to put full pressure on my right leg while I'm pushing the joint open, do arthroscopy, for example. And this can be for 2 hours at a time. And without this brace, I wouldn't be able to